Are you thirsting to feel vibrant and energized after a long haul fight or flight journey? Most of us, me included, have been on this stress mode flight the last long while. And I'm not referring to congested air travel. I am so looking forward to creating a different experience in 2023, and I invite you to join me. I'm getting together with an inspiring colleague of mine this new year. We're offering a 6-week interactive workshop where you will learn how to kickstart your body into creating abundant energy and vitality. Join me, Dr. Heidi Lescanec, naturopathic physician, and Helena Bianchi, health architect, nutrition and lifestyle coach. We will take you through an overview of how you can nourish your foundational health systems, your hormones, your nervous system, digestion, and detoxification. Our Fatigue to Vitality workshop is a roadmap to Energy 101, a great introduction on how you can optimize your nutrition, improve the conversion of food into fuel, and decrease inflammation. This is how we create a biochemical environment that is conducive to healing, hormone production, and optimal energy. I believe this is something we can all use, and I welcome you to join us. For more info on our workshop starting in January, check out my website, HeidiLescanec.com. It's on the events page. I would love to see you there.